A son who is always lazy and wastes time wandering here and there. His father was worried about his future because of his irresponsible behavior. One day, to teach his son a lesson, a father gave a watch to his son, asking him to ask the price in market. His son went to market and asked the shopkeepers the price of watch. He was answered different amounts. He went back to his father and told him the whole story. His father smiled and kept the watch in cupboard. The next day, father asked his son to take the watch and ask the price of what inside watch. The boy was amazed and confused, but he still obeyed what father said. When he went to market, the people laughed at him when he asked the price of time, but one old man who was repairing watches understood what boy was trying to ask, and he replied, "Oh son, the price of time is valueless. There are two things about time. One is it is when good, it passes away smoothly and we cherish later on, but if you didn't use wisely you'll regret that it passed, and that's bad thing of time." The boy understood the value of time, and instead of wasting time or wandering here and there, he used to help his father in his work.